Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone AirDrop no people found. If you're using AirDrop on your iPhone and you're having the issue that you have no people found, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down your quick settings, and from here you just have to enable your airplane mode and then disable it. You have to repeat this step up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if this step doesn't work for you, you have to go for settings, then go for general, go for AirDrop, and from here you have to enable these all toggles, and you have to set everyone for 10 minutes. So once you have checked, you have to go back, and here you just have to go for software update if you're still having the issue. So you have to try to update your software, because sometimes you have any pending software update, so your phone cannot work well. So once you have updated your software, you have to go back and then go for iPhone storage, and you have to also make sure that you have almost 10 GB storage free. Or if you don't have, you just have to delete anything from your iPhone storage. Once you have done so, it will almost fix your issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and from here you just have to enter your passcode, and you'll get the pop-up confirmation message that you have to reset your network settings. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, your cellular, your Bluetooth, and your AirDrop also. So if there will be any bug into your network settings, so it will fix in this step. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to contact to Apple support, open browser, search for support.apple.com, or you have to search for Apple support here and open the first website here. Here's the Apple support. You have to open this first website, and from here you just have to select your iPhone or iPad which you're using, and then you just have to look for get support option here, and you will get the option of get support. You have to select start now here, and then you have to look for AirDrop in your support section, so you have to wait for the next page here, and here you just have to look for more, and then look for AirDrop, and then select continue here, and from here you just have to select get more help, then select call us, and here you will get a contact number for Apple support team. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial the number, and you can get official help from your Apple support team, and in this way your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your issue that your iPhone AirDrop no people found. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.